Story Testnet is speculated to pay $500 for just 20 minutes of performance simple tax. It's going to end on the 8th of December, so you have less than 2 weeks to gather as many points as you can. And that is what I want to show you in this video. If you also want to make profit like this, and this, then watch this video to the end. To take part in the Story Testnet, you need your MetaMask or Trust wallets. Story Protocol is a blockchain platform that simplifies managing, licensing, and monetizing intellectual property through smart contracts and NFTs. These are the steps for the testnet. So first, get a Gitcoin passport, then obtain testnet token. With this, you complete a tax, then repeat 2 and 3 as often as you can before the 8th of December. Now, let's get to the practical. So for the first step, you have to connect your MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet, depending on what you're using. Sign in. Now my score here is 20. I'll come back to that. Now the reason why Story needs you to get a Gitcoin passport is to avoid those who use multiple accounts to do farming. So make sure you use a wallet that you have used to carry out transactions in the past. Now I have a score of 29. If you have less than this, you have to obtain more points by taking part in any of these activities. Example is this one, this Binance on. It's going to give you 16 points. To do that, just simply click on connect. When this comes out, you have to obtain what is called the Binance account bound token, BAT. To do that, you click here, then go ahead and log into your Binance. Then click on connect wallet, connect the same wallet. So the Binance account bound token has been minted. This actually costs $1 to do so. Once that is done, I have to click on verify. So if I go back, you see I now have 45 points. Again, if you have up to 20 points, you don't need to do this. Then go ahead and click on mint on chain. Then you can mint with either Optimism or any of this network. Just make sure you have a little to pay transaction fee in that particular wallet. So that is it. You now have your Gitcoin passport. You only have to do this once. Again, the reason why they're doing this is that they don't want somebody having multiple wallet addresses, or maybe a bot having multiple addresses to overfarm the protocol. They only want real people. So you have to only do this once. Now, once you've done that, the next thing is to go and get the IP testnet token. This is the Story testnet token. So what we'll do is we're going to connect our wallet. So I can claim success. So I can claim $1 IP token, of course, testnet token, every 24 hours. So that is done. The next thing is to go to story.foundation. We'll click on ecosystem. Then when you scroll down, you can see all the application under the Story network or Story protocol. So I can click on any of them to interact with them. Now, when I click on any of them, I take part in the tax. I'm going to obtain badges. These badges is what is going to determine the amount of airdrop I can make. For example, I want to interact with Mahojin and the badge is available. I want to click on it. Then I'll click on connect wallet. The same MetaMask wallet is what I'll connect. Then I can enter my username. Now all I need to do is to perform these 4 tasks. You can see that one of them is already checked because I'm holding the IP that I obtained from the faucet. So I just need to complete 1, 2, and 4. Then I can now claim the badge. I'll go ahead and do that. So I'll go ahead and generate at least 4 images. To do that, I'll click on create here. Then I'll come here and either use the prompt here or put my own prompt. I can just put my own prompt by saying generate image of the Oba of Lagos. Choose the aspect ratio and click on generate. if you go here, you will see the outputs. If I click on it, the image is being generated. Now they need me to generate 4 images, so I can generate another thing. So I have generated 4 images. If I go here, you can see the output. The first one I generated was the Oba of Lagos, and this is what it gave me. And the second one is CZ in Nigeria. I don't know what CZ is this. Okay, so these are the different images that it's giving me. So this one is checked. The next one is to publish at least one of my images. So I'm going to go here and let me publish the Oba of Lagos. So I just click on publish and go ahead and title this Oba of Lagos. So this is going to use some of my IPs, that's my testnet token, to publish this. So this is it. I've completed the 4 tags. So the next thing I do is to click on claim badge. So completed. So what I could do is after 24 hours, I come here and I claim another test token. Then I come here, click on any of these and just take part in the tax and obtain the badge. This is all I need to do. So you have to do as many of these as you can do to be qualified for the airdrop. So the speculation is they can get up to $500 or even much more depending on how many badges you are able to obtain. So that is it. Now, to make profit like this, there are 3 steps you need to take. One is to create and verify a Bybit account using the unique link I have in the description. 2, deposit $100 or more within 7 days of creating the account. When you do so, Bybit will give you $500 position airdrop. You can use it to trade these currency pairs. Whatever profit you made from trading this, you can keep. And 3, join my Telegram channels to receive signals to trade and make these profits. Note that I will never contact you personally to ask you to invest in anything or do P2P. Anyone that contacts you with my picture and my name is an impersonator that is messaging you to scam you. So go ahead and just block that person and report that account. Many people have been scammed this way, so be warned.